Last day of prep work. Now we go somewhere. Wait, what's that gay, huh? Araruin mo na!
Boss, open-minded pa kayo?
So I have everything, my hands now, and I'm gonna do something with my D4 before we go. I'm gonna fix this and this one. So let me do that real quick. So I got the steering working done and made it stock. But another problem is, like yesterday, the black wire is unattached and the ESC as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish the RX-7 on top secret. So as this one, I'm gonna bring some material just to make sure that you have some materials. And
Meant to be. Buti pa sila meant to be, no?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
so 30 minutes later, Lawrence is still taking a bath.
Sold!
Inang yan. Tang inang yan. Ganun ka ata ka-desperado ah. Sige na, di na tayo pupunta.
Later.
There's an advantage on why van rocks. So we are at this strange place that I don't know where. And we're gonna stay here for a while because we're gonna take a grab on the way there. But you may be asking, why are we gonna take an Uber rather than bringing this van? Because since it's a Friday and the van is coding. So I guess we're gonna evacuate. So 1 hour later, we have arrived at Green Hills. Yes, we have everything.
Have things done by professionals.
We will gonna do the installation of the wide body because we're tired. We let them do it.
RX-7.
Hindi ko alam ito eh.
Wala kapid lang. What if tayo na lang sa bumper?
Oo, tayo na lang sa
wide body
bumper.
na lang. Patay, clutch. Kasi gusto mo din gawin doon, mahirap din i-explain. Diba? Why? Kasi, yung Yoko mo, diba stock pa yun? Pagtatapat lang, pinapasok sa BRG na lang. Sa skirting, na. Kung kaya lang, pero if hindi kaya sir, ako nakagawa.
Basta pamasko na lang tapos pa muna. Ayun, pag pumunta ka rito, tsaka mo sa kanya explain, sandali lang naman yun.
Basta pag buong shell may label.
Binili mo naman dito yun eh, di ba?
Yes po. But may push.
So nothing happened. Little do we know that. So we came back another and after an hour and we did nothing. So what we're gonna do is we made our track and I'm gonna work on the D4. Gonna finish it and make it run. So the RX-7 is half mounted. That's the anchor points. I'm gonna do the rest later. And we're finally gonna mount the magnets, which the mounts are here. Yeah. So be right back. Switch in the car and my intentions in my RX-7 is it runs good, but it needs a little more tweaking for it to be perfect, and I love it. I love it even though it's not perfect. I love it. So we're gonna go back to Lawrence. Gonna go and finish this. I think we're gonna finish this and gonna practice.
For VIPs. Yes, po.
So we're back at Lawrence's house and Simon says that we're gonna finish everything.
Fitment eh. Ano rims?
Gago mas lalo.
Yan ang fitment. Pero yung kanina,
Hindi.
that ass bro.
Ay, oo.
Tapusin na kaya eh.
Good idea, good idea, good idea.
Kasi satisfied lang sa isang side eh.
Ah,
Pero hindi tayo satisfied.
Hindi kasi wala pa isang side.
Hindi tayo satisfied sa isang side. We're only half satisfied kasi half of the car looks good.
Hindi, 1/3. 1/3.
Ay, oo, kasi wala kang bumper.
And I forgot to mention, I'm gonna work on this one and the hard plastics on my RX-7 because I'm gonna paint it better this time. And while I'm painting this too, they will work on the D4 and the Rocket Bunny and testing the fitment if he likes it or not.
Pakisara yung pakisara yung pinto, lalabas yung aircon. Yun na, gusto ko sasabihin ko na eh. Pero maya tinanggal nila yung aircon, nilabas nila yung aircon, no? Sabi ko, nabasa nila yung utak ko. Kung pag hindi sinara yung aircon.
So the build is nearly done. Lawrence is working on the pins for the last time. Harold's working on
The broken chain
on his S13 and mounting that shit. While I'm gonna start working on the splitter and the side skirt. So yeah. The splitter is done. It looks aggressive, but I made some mistake on this fence, but it won't see that much. And when we look at here,
It's aggressive. Aggressive AF!
And next, after Harold's working on that,
Done.
actually done. Glue mo na to. I-glue mo na to. Ha?
Glue gun?
Oo. Woohoo! It looks so good.
Looks like a clutch, buddy.
But, wait lang. Iangat natin to. Wait lang. Nakaangat na yan. It's mounted. Last work is the front, is the side skirt. Yes, before Rumble, I have a side skirt there, but I have another side skirt which is so long. Huh?
Don't touch, ha? Don't touch. Touch.
That will be it for today. Actually, is not the final yet, but I'm still gonna record because I'm gonna work on my side skirt for the last time. The side skirt is a fail. It's shorter and it went shit, and I want to redo it later. What I'm gonna do here on my kit is, on my shell is, do the finishing touches, like the side skirt. Gonna mount the wing and the side mirror for the last time, and hopefully that's the last two things that I wanna do. So see you when I get home. I'm back at my house and I almost started on what I'm doing here. So my first build here on my other side is failed, and gonna do it again, and fingers crossed I can finish this on time. And I have some crappy cutter which is not working. It only has lines. I hope I can finish this on time. So update. So this is the side of the side skirt, and if we look closely, wait a second, it's gonna be like this, but less of this. You will get a rough idea, but this bit will be going up, just like this one. And I failed this one because of this little scrub, and that one. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm a stupid perfectionist, I'm gonna do it all again. Yeah,
2 hours later.
perfect, no scratches or anything. Oh, that's a pain in a half to cut it slowly, but it's done. I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna mount them, but I will fold this upward, so this one has something to work on it. So yeah, I'll work on that first. Almost there, and I need to hit this thing up and mount this finally. And the left side skirt is mounted. I don't have a better lighting on it, but and it looks angry. I'm gonna do the same procedure what I did on here on this side skirt. So the side skirt is a bitch and I have to work on it, while the splitter is an easy task, but this one isn't.
Meanwhile,
And after an hour of raging on my side skirt, it's now finally in. It's now finally in. Like I said, it's a bitch and I have to work on it, and even to mount it, but that's it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reinstall my wing and the side mirrors, And that will be it. And I'm watching Black Panther now on, but this little shit, this shit's grommet went died. This one, yep, split, but I don't know what to do anymore. But the time check is almost 3 o'clock, and yeah, I need to take a rest. Well, that's it, guys. Clutch bunny. I'm so sleepy.